Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your ROI with AdRoll, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your return on investment with AdRoll, start by setting clear campaign goals. Identify the key performance indicators that align with these goals. Next, create a targeted audience using AdRoll's segmentation tools. Utilize first-party data from your website to build custom audiences. Incorporate lookalike audiences to reach potential customers similar to your existing ones. Choose the appropriate ad format that resonates with your audience. Explore options like display ads, social ads, and retargeting ads. Ensure that your ad creatives are compelling and visually appealing. Test different ad variations to see which performs best. Set a budget that reflects your goals while allowing for flexibility. Regularly monitor your campaign metrics through AdRoll's dashboard. Evaluate reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data you collect. Don't hesitate to pause underperforming ads and reallocate the budget. Consider A/B testing to optimize ad effectiveness continuously. Utilize retargeting strategies to re-engage visitors who didn't convert. Keep your messaging consistent across all platforms and ad formats. Engage with your audience through personalized content to increase relevance. Review your customer journey and identify any potential drop-off points. Make necessary adjustments to your funnel based on insights gathered. Maintain an ongoing communication strategy with your audience. Regularly refresh your ad content to avoid ad fatigue. Create seasonal or timely promotions to attract attention. Finally, conduct a post-campaign analysis to identify successes and areas for improvement. Document key learnings to enhance future campaigns with AdRoll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.